Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my final flip through of my December daily. I didn't get a chance to film that last month, so I definitely want to show you guys how it turned out. I am extremely happy with it. I love how everything came out. And it's super chunky, as you can see, but not as chunky as my October daily. If you remember my October daily, I kind of did my own like little sheets and stuff like that. This one I did use a lot of sleeves, but I still love the way it turned out. So let's get on with showing you how each page turned out. I did add, as I was going back and forth, little things here and there. So if you did watch my previous videos, there are some things that may have been excuse me, added or taken away. So this is the cover, and of course I used the crepe paper Fa La La collection. And yeah, I mainly use a lot of that for my cover. On this side over here, I used some chipboards also from that collection. I do plan on putting the 2017 in here or another like DEC, but I haven't found the one that I want to put there yet, so we haven't done that. So this is the cover, and then when you open it up, this is a little pocket that I made, and in here I just have a little card that was sent to me in some Christmas mail. And on this side we have a little shaker that I created. It says Merry Christmas, and it just has a couple of sequins. The paper behind it is from It's Paper Dear, and I'll try to have linked down below a lot of the stuff that I use so that you guys can definitely check it out. And then this page right here is my kind of like my title page, and it just says a time for joy and happiness, making family memories, remembering what's important, experience the magic of Christmas, a time to enjoy the season. Happy December. And then I got this from the Fa La La collection, as well as these little die cuts right here, and these little trees right here are from Target Dollar Spot. And then page 1 is just like an introduction page, kind of like introducing myself. So it's a little selfie with the number 1, and that was the very first day that I started out my Jingle Lil series, so that's the first picture that I did put. Day 2 is just a picture of my tree this year. And then day 3 is just like a little list of what my daughter had asked for Christmas. So I wanted to put a little page to be her gifts and stuff. And then I did use one of the little cut aparts from the Fa La La collection, and then I just punched a hole in it just to have it as a little extra. Plus I love the two little snowmans and how it says winter. And then 4 and 5 I decided to make little shakers on each corner diagonally from each other. And then on this side I put a picture of the birthday mail that my friend Vero sent me, and then she sent me this little girl in my birthday mail, so I decided to add her into my December daily because she was so cute. And I added a little bow to her hair. And then I have some little pom-pom trim here. That's cute. And then just on this side, just so that it's not plain, I added 2 Christmas time Project Life cards. And then I added this little envelope. I just punched a hole in it, put a little piece of ephemera on it, and then it says Noel on this side. We have a little foam snowflake, and then here's just a little picture of a Michael's haul that I did during the month, if I didn't include it in a sleeve. Then we have, let's see, if this was number 4, I think this is number 6, and then number 6 is just some Christmas mail, my very first Christmas mail that I got from my friend Tina, and this one is from my friend Kate. And then this is some Christmas crafts that I made myself for my pen pals. I made a advent calendar here and a little hoop mail there. And here's the number 7 with the little card die cut from the ephemera pack from the Fa La La collection. Then when we turn the page over, we have number 8, And here's just a picture of some happy mail that my friend Veronica sent me, and this was a super cute little flip book that she sent me with a bunch of embellishments. And if you guys watch my video, you saw how amazing that book is. It's so cute. This is another piece of happy mail that I received from my friend Ada. She made me an advent calendar, and then I just put this cute little Santa die cut right here with a little number 9, and it just says Christmas selfie. And then this tag was part of my mail from Veronica over here, so I wanted to add it to my book because it's so cute. I love how she colored it in. And this is also the card that she sent me with my package. I tried to include a lot of the cards that they gave me in my happy mail just to keep it as a memory. This one is from my friend Ada. She sent me a card as well. She's so silly, that's her. She's like put like a distorted image of herself there. She's such a clown. But she gave me that one, and then there's just a little envelope here with some extra images of this little stamp girl that my friend Veronica sent me. So I just put them in there. And then on the 10th was when I received my, I participated in a Secret Santa, and my friend Rachel is the one that got my name, and she sent me this cute little box filled with a bunch of goodies. And I have a lot of videos on all my happy mail, so if you want to go back and check all the happy mail that I received, you can see that on my video throughout my Jingle Lil series. So I just did a little journaling here, a little picture of the happy mail, and then a Secret Santa, just a little decorative piece right here with a little Santa Claus. And then we have, let's see here, this one is 11, right? Because this one is 10. Yes, this one is 11. And then for 11, I just posted a bunch of my favorite ornaments from my tree. This one was sent to me by my friend Becky. This one was sent to me by my friend Ada. And then these I purchased myself. And then I got the little Starbucks cup from this year. So I put a bunch. I had printed out some more, but then I ran out of space because I didn't realize I had 2 more. If not, I would have like put them in somewhere here. But there was 2 more ornaments that I did want to put that I didn't end up putting there. And then I had sent out some happy mail to my friend Tina with this cute little decorative gingerbread man. So I decided to decorate one for myself. Well, gingerbread girl. And she has a cute little bow, some rosy cheeks. And I decorated one just to have inside my December daily, because I just love the way they turned out every time I decorated them. And then here's another Christmas card that I received. This one is from, let's see, I'm not sure who this one is from. I think this is from my friend Tony. I think. I could be wrong. But this is another Christmas card that I got. This is day 12, and then I made some ornaments this year. I try to make different ornaments every single year, just to represent like me, my wife, and my daughter. So this year we made these cute clear little Rudolphs. So I took a picture of them and put them here to remember those for 2017. This is just a little shaker, and it has the word believe inside. A lot of the paper that I used is from the Fa La La collection, as well as a lot of Christmas paper pads that I purchased for the month of December. And day 12 is some super sweet happy mail that I got from my friend Tony. She sent me like a candy themed happy mail, and it was so cute. Also have a video on that, so I put that as my day 12. Christmas magic in pink and a little pink heart, because it went perfect with the mail that she sent me. Then we have on this side, I didn't do anything. I think this is 12. I didn't do 13. I have it in here, and I just did some journaling, and it's inside right here. But on this side, which continues on with day 12, I just put a little decorative piece here that says Deck the Halls, because I really like these stickers and I wanted to put them in my December daily. And then right here, it's just a picture of a Christmas gift that my mom gave me. She gave me the crocodile. So of course, I put that in my December daily as a memory. And then this is just a decorative envelope that I did. Super fun with a little elf behind the little doilies and the little house, little snowflake, the tree, and it's just a cute little piece. The envelope came with my album, so I wanted to decorate it and make it look nice. On the other side, I have it decorated as well. It just says Happy Holidays here, the little gingerbread man. And then here is just a picture of our first snowfall on 2017. And this was at nighttime by the, the football field where my daughter goes to school. And I just thought it looked so pretty. So I have that there with some snowflakes here. Excuse me. And then over here is just these fun cards that I did send some of my pen pals, and I just thought they were so cute, and I wanted to keep one in my December daily as a memory. And it's these dabbing through the snow, and it's a little Santa Claus dabbing. And how cute is that, you guys? So I definitely put one in my album to remember that card. And day 14, I wanted to include some pictures that I take with the filters in Snapchat. So that's what I did here. The paper in the back is from It's Paper Dear. We have some little chipboard pieces here from the Fa La La collection, and just a wood veneer of a snowflake. This is the first one that I took, the picture of Snap filter, and I did it in black and white. And it has like some funny glasses and some little like bear ears. And here are some other silly ones that I did. I think this is like a little fox, the little deer, the little Christmas cookies, and then the bear again, but in color. So that was super fun, just to remember the filters that we had during the holiday season. Now this one is a super fun page, and this one is a page filled with a bunch of flares that I either created with some epoxy stickers, and mainly flares that my friend Becky has sent me. And if you guys know Becky, she's like the queen of flares, and I have a whole bunch because me and her have been pals for quite some time. Well, her and I have been pals for quite some time, and I have quite a few that she has sent me. I have more Christmas ones, but I did leave them on the pocket letter that she sent me for Christmas. I didn't want to take it apart, how cute she had it. But how cool did this page come out, you guys? I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite pages in my December daily. And it just looks super cool. And I'm going to have fun, like always looking back at it and remembering. And then these little ones right here with the epoxy stickers. Those are the ones that I made myself. And then moving along, I have just this cute little add-on piece here that just says Drink Up Grinches. And I sent a lot of these to my pen pals and kept one for myself for my December daily. And then day 15 is just a little picture of my goddaughter in her little Santa Claus outfit, and it just says Santa Baby Yvette. And then I have a little shaker here that says Merry. Day 16 is just this yummy meal that I cooked up, and it was really delicious, you guys. So I definitely had to take a picture of that because I enjoyed that meal so much. And that's why I put yummers. Then we have day 17. Whenever I didn't have anything to post, I was using a prompt that I found on Pinterest. So when you see random stuff like ornaments, or in this case day 17 is showing Christmas lights. These were some lights that I had, well I still have, on my in front of my TV stand. So I took a picture of that, and it just says Christmas lights. Day 18 is some Happy Mail that I received as well. So I just put some Merry Mail, and that's super cute. And this is also from my friend Veronica, which is like a super stuffed envelope, extremely loaded. And then here's another Christmas card that I received. Here's another Christmas card that I received. Day 19 is just a cup of hot cocoa that I made for myself, and it just looked so yummy that I wanted to take a picture of it. And day 20 is some Happy Mail that I received with the cute little gorgeous girls, and that was super fun. So I have a picture of that because she's so cute. I did a little bit of journaling over here for day 21. And then day 22, it's just a little decorative snowman because I didn't really have anything to post that day. So when days came like that, I just decorated it. It was super cute and stuff. So day 23 is an advent calendar box that I received from my friend Solange. She sent me a beautiful package with so many goodies. And this is the card that she sent me, which is adorable. I love it so much. And as for day 24 and then day 25, I decided to decorate the pages on this side with some cute little stickers and die cuts. And then on the opposite side, I just basically put a bunch of gifts that we got. So these are like my gifts, these are like my wife's gifts, and then these are like my daughter's gifts. And that's how I decided to end my December daily, you guys. And it was super fun. The only thing I can say about it is that, you know, it can get a little overwhelming towards the end. And I started late, but I still did it, and I'm super excited that I did, because I really wasn't going to do it because I was so overwhelmed by the one that I did on Halloween. But I'm glad that I did it, and it could get overwhelming, but what I say is that I think that you can just go back to it and finish it up, you know, when you have the chance, instead of just feeling like you have to do it every single day. And that's how I ended up completing mine. But yeah, you guys, that is the completed December daily for 2017. Let me know down below if you guys did a December daily. Link your channels. Let me know. I want to see what your guys' December daily looked like. Did you finish? Did you not finish? Let me know. I love to talk to you guys. But yes, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.